Hi, I'm Niall Taylor and I'm going to show you how to install the clips into our AP6 cages. So, first step is taking the clip and putting it through this side. To do that, you're going to bend the cage just slightly so this bar can fit through this gap. Once it's in there, you'll just want to just bend it a little bit extra and then give it a good tug so you hear that click. Once you do that, you'll want to put the other one on the other side and you'll have it facing the opposite direction. Once you have them both installed, you then push it through the opposite side, and you are going to have to use quite a bit of pressure on this. And when you do so, you're going to want to squeeze the clip so it will fit through better. So first you'll push it through the top, and then you want to squeeze that clip, and it will slide through. And you'll want to have both of them installed at the same time. Once that's through, you just clip it along the top, and then you can close the end. That's how it's done.